Hello, assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will show how to download Microsoft Word in mobile phone, and it's totally free. First of all, we go to Play Store. It's a Google Play Store. Then we search MS Word. And now press install. See the app, and it's very documentary. We know we're using Microsoft Word for our document. Press install. Now it's starting download. We waiting. Wait a few minutes for downloading it. It's totally free app for every mobile user. Already almost done. Wait a few minutes. See Microsoft Word editing documents app are installing in my phone. So it's a very amazing app for any documentary work, best for writing and edit. Then press open. See, Microsoft Word is almost ready for using, and then we open our app for edit document. Just wait a few minutes.